We finally made it. 2021. I know I'm excited for it. I know you are too. Probably for two different things though. Yes, we did make it out of 2020. But in 2020, we were working really, really hard to bring some really cool new things to the office, which we will be rolling out this year. Stay tuned for more on that. In January though, I want everybody to give a full and warm welcome to Miss Joan Keel. Yes, many of you have met her and had appointments with her. She has been with us for several months now, but January, she'll be here full time. She made the big move and now she's truly part of our family and we are all super excited for her to actually join us completely. Also, January 21st, I think many of you are going to really enjoy this month's Wellness Matters. It's going to be hosted by Jon Barr, SuperFoodie Home Cooking. He's going to do a demonstration of different meals that we can cook at home that are both healthy, whole food, and easy to do. It's going to be a lot of fun. I know I am looking forward to it. I'm sure many of you are also looking forward to something like that. So, like I said, there's so many different and new things that we're going to be rolling out this year. If you want to follow us and keep up to date with everything we're doing, follow us on our social medias at Hormones and Wellness. I look forward to seeing you guys when you come in next time. See you then.